Welcome to Burnsies Boutique, your ultimate destination for unique, custom-made t-shirts, gifts, phone cases, kids' clothes, and more. Our collection is designed to inspire creativity and bring joy to your everyday life. Whether you're looking for a personalized shirt to express yourself, a thoughtful gift for someone special, or stylish items for your little ones, Burnsies Boutique has something for everyone. Custom t-shirts that stand out. Crafted with 100% heirloom combed and ring-spun cotton, our lightweight and breathable t-shirts are perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a heartfelt gift for a loved one or a stylish addition to your wardrobe, choose from our high-quality, custom designs that elevate your look to the next level. Premium phone cases. Protect your phone in style with our exclusive range of cases, available for Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and iPhone models. Choose from sleek and modern designs to bold and vibrant options, offering both functionality and flair. Adorable kids' clothes. Discover a collection of kids' clothing that combines comfort, durability, and fun. With soft fabrics, vibrant colors, and whimsical designs, our clothing ensures your little ones stay stylish and happy, no matter the occasion. High-quality digital images. Transform your creative projects with our high-quality digital images. Perfect for crafting, gifting, or decorating, our designs are made for all occasions and can even be customized to make them uniquely yours. New arrivals you'll love. Stay ahead of the trends with our carefully curated collection of new arrivals. From custom apparel to home decor and accessories, explore pieces that inspire creativity and fit every style. Why shop at Burnsies Boutique? Exclusive, one-of-a-kind designs. Trendy styles that reflect your personality. Perfect for personalized gifts, seasonal staples, and creative projects. Elevate your wardrobe, projects, and gifting game with Burnsies Boutique. Explore now to find your next favorite piece.